Post ni Wanda Tulfo Teo sa victims ng lindol sa Davao, Binaticos. Nakasaad sa post ni Wanda, published as is, to the people of Manay in response to your call for our help. Ang mga Tulfo siblings ay laging tumutulong sa inyo maski walang sakuna. Medical assistance from our own pocket. Nabigyan kayo ng malaking SLP, AICs, tupad sa tulong ni Senador Erwin kaya na-prioritize kayo ng DSWD and DOL ang assistance sa Davao Oriental. Nag-donate kami ng ilang hectares na lupa kung saan na nakatayo ngayon ang hospital ninyo. Hindi pa ba ito sapat na tulong? My mom is from Manay and my dad is from Ilocos. But we always prioritize Davao Oriental. We never grew up in Manay, it's our relatives who stayed there. Erwin is in Geneva for a conference. We have been communicating on the situation in Manay. He has plans on what help he will be giving. I have been in contact with Gov. Nelson. Can we not wait? Burado na ang kontrobersyal post na ito ni Wanda dala ng mga negatibong komento.